Is the color of new leaves of your plant turning yellow completely or whitish in color and veins are green in color? Then this is the deficiency of iron in plants. To control deficiency, you can use ferrous sulfate in soil or you can give Fe EDDHA Utkarsh FeeDrip at 1 to 2 grams per liter water in soil along with water. By spraying, you can use Fe EDTA 12%, Utkarsh FeGro at 1 to 2 grams per liter water. In case your soil pH is 6.5 or below, then you can use Fe DTPA 11%, Utkarsh Fe Aquarium by spraying. By giving 2 to 3 times in 7 days interval, you can easily control iron deficiency and get lush green new leaves. Spraying once every 2 to 3 months, iron deficiency is not observed. These three products, FeGro, FeeDrip, Fe Aquarium, are 100% water soluble in water and good for environment.